Okay, so here we are back again. So, yeah. Okay, so here we are back again. And look, yo, 0 day 550. That's crazy. So they just got the new releases in. It changes a lot of things. Yeah, actually. Okay, let's see. Yo, they have one, like, non-flap sound. Look at these, literally. All of these are flaps down. That's crazy. Also one East 222 ER. That's cool. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, so a few more. Let's see. So this is Tom. This is the Tom Fokker. Fokker 100. That's cool, actually. That's pretty cool. Okay, so just look around. They still have lefty 77-9, so I can take a look at this inside the box. Yeah, but let me see. Oh, that's good. That actually looks fire. I still can't believe they use the size of this box, which is literally the same as like the 7% box, and they cramp it in like that. This just looks kind of weird. But okay, they still have the Allegiant something Max 8 200. Great to see that. Still there. So some of these Star Alliances. Yeah. Just so cool, man. Still have a few of these where I want to see, look, Taco Retro, Trans-Canada Retro. Like, that's so cool, but I just did get a plain 820-300. So, maybe that would be, like, for Christmas. Possibly. Okay, so they still have some Allegiant A320s, but I'm not gonna get any. Still, because those are pretty easy to find. Let's see, Taco Retro. That's cool. JetBlue 320. United States actually. Let's see. Oh no, I took a look at that. Okay, let's see. Oh, Clean Chargers too. Can't believe I didn't notice this yesterday. Here. Okay, these looks cool actually. Yeah, that's cool. And oh, they have two now. They do have two MS customers and 800s. Let's see what one looks like. Yo, that looks good. Like, actually, that looks pretty good. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Okay, so here we are. Look at that. 100 years. Yeah, that's so cool. They actually have 100 years. Look at that. It's 50. That's gorgeous. Now, I spotted this in Atlanta, at Airliners. Dude, I'm never gonna forget that. And I just did spot the Delta A321 Neo in the 100 years livery. So maybe, ooh, wait, is this? Sweet. But anyway, yeah. That may just be on my, list, like, bucket list. Alright. Few amateur strugglers, if I may say so myself. Oops, wait, okay, there you go. Because those were, actually no, those were 2022, so I guess they aren't technically that far behind. If that makes any sense at all. Okay, so. Dude, these boxes are massive. I don't think I'll ever own a 1-200 model, considering I'm basically 1-400 scale. But dude, like, some of these are crazy. What are these? Oh wait, yeah. There's still some of these on, like, so Pakistani. Of course, is this the Trident? Yeah, Trident. That's cool. And these, I remember this was, sometime back in, January this year. They did like 5 of these. Well, they did 5 Air Force release totals. So yeah. Oh, here's the C5s. The camo. Sweet. The Eastern. Oh, Zombie 40. That's sweet. I'm gonna take a little more walk around. I'll let you guys know if I see anything interesting. Okay, so I was doing one more sweep for the top row, and I literally completely forgot. I was doing some Thirst 300s. These were never ever good sellers for some reason. Like, they sold a bunch of these on the website for some reason. I don't know why. See, CP727. That's so cool, like, actually. Let's see. I like the all orange on the top. Reminds me of, whatever. I forget the airline. But they're orange. I forget. Okay, let's see, Midwest, Hawaiian, and then here we are, basically MD-80 territory, and the random CRJ-900s with that box. Yeah. See, they still have one Salmon People's aircraft. This is the first release, because I don't remember, that looks great. If Gemini did a second one, because they did, I think they did another one, the August batch, but I could be wrong. Okay, let's see, Hapak Lloyd. See, you have this, and, let me sorry, where's, ow, my foot. And they have Hapak Lloyd Express, 700. Okay, then down here, actually no, we already went to that one. Okay, here we go. Nothing has really changed. They do have some more, Islander A321 Neos. Yo, the A321 years. This looks sweet. There we go, dude, that's sweet. That's amazing. This is so cool. Why didn't they print like the windows, like the A321 Neo, like windows, like right there? Look at that. So this is, now it's looking like it's the A321 with just Neo engines, which Gemini has done a few times in the past. Okay, dude, that's sweet. Okay, that was, they have the, September releases in finally. So, the United Express E175 may have just barged in for the Lufthansa 77 path. Because if they didn't have it today, the Lefty 77 was mine. But now, I'm reconsidering my thoughts, like tenfold. Okay, so here we have some of these down here. These are, so we have Woodrow, Pincher, Azul, Air France, Air Mexico, Connect. They have a lot of these, actually. Here, let me take one of these, see what they look like. Because, dude, I love this new purple livery. That's nice, man. Yeah, that's sweet. Here, so sorry guys, I'm gonna put you down for a sec. Cool. You need a trash can? This is cool. Okay, so hello everyone. It's just a little bit update clip right here. So I'm still at the airplane shop. I said hi to Todd. Wherever he is. Right there. Bro's such a gentleman, like actually for real. I'm still looking around. Good model. It's a draw between at least 5 models, which are which is at least Lefty. It's the Lefty 77-9, Delta A321, the Legion 77 Max 8, United Star Alliance. That's specifically the A3, no, the 737, and the Contour. The Contour.